November 18th, and the puppies are 7 weeks old. And they are just having a great time with mommy right now playing. There's Ruby and Pumpkin and Bentley all playing with mommy right now. And then over here we have Merlin and Violet playing on the swing, playing together. And they're having a good time too. They've really grown over the last few weeks. They've just gotten so big. We weighed them yesterday.
Yeah, I don't have the exact weights down right now, but they range anywhere from Pumpkin at 11 pounds all the way up to Bentley at 13 pounds, 13 ounces. I want to say Merlin was 13 pounds, 10 ounces. Ruby was around 11 and a half pounds, and Violet was 12 pounds.
Oh, wow. And now they're all, we've transitioned them over to the large breed puppy. So it's a little bit bigger kibble. So several of the puppies are going to leave on Saturday. They'll be 8 weeks, and that way they'll be transitioned over to their food and be able to go home to their forever families. I know everyone's looking forward to having them come and live with them and enjoy their company. All right, until next time.